30 to 15 minutes of your day using AI. And what it does is it helps you with morning briefs, reads your email, helps you with follow-up email. So how does it work? When you go to log in, you're able to sign through email or through password. So let's log in through your Google, which is this. When I click on this, I'm able to click on accounts. So when I click on the accounts, I'm signed in. So this is the user dashboard. And with the user dashboard, I'm able to connect my calendar, which shows me my activities and my meetings and the time of my meetings. We have also follow-up reminders. That is, we have AI that it's able to help you read your email and help you to analyze the ones that need follow-up, and also gives you drafts for email follow-ups, and you can also send those email fast as you can. Instead of you going through your emails, going through your calendar altogether, Smartdaily helps you with everything all in one platform. And let's say I go to connect calendar. What it does is it takes me to where I'm able to pick my account, which is this. So when I pick this, Google hasn't verified this app. So this is where we need verification on. And this is where we need to allow it to access our calendar to be able to read through the kind of activities I have and also join meetings from the dashboard. So this is it. But because it's not connected, it's saying fail to connect and establish connection. So once it's connected, you just connect through here. And you can also go to the dashboard where you can disconnect, and that's when you're connected. You can connect and disconnect. And there we have other features like calendar. This is tax management, but this tax management is manual. You can just put that in and add a tax and all. So that's what Smartdaily does. It's a daily productivity tool that helps you save about 30 to 50 minutes of your time every morning. Thank you very much.